Hi there. Today we are going to learn about differentiation, and we have already discussed following things. We can quickly recap. That is differentiation of x to the power n with respect to x. It is given by nx n minus 1. Okay, and differentiation of x with respect to x is equal to 1. And differentiation of c with respect to dx, where c is any constant, is equal to 0. So these formulas we know. If question comes like this, if it is y equal to x3 plus x square divided by x, and you need to find differentiation of this. So what you need to do, first use algebra to solve. Yeah, so let's simplify this. So it is y, you know this one thing, like 2 plus 3 over 4, then you can write down this 2 over 4 and 3 over 4. Okay, so in the same way, what we can do here, we can write down x3 over x and x square over x. So let's write down here. So it is x3 over x and x square over x. Now what is happening? We are not using differentiation at all. We are just simplifying using algebra. So 1x and 1x is cancelled out. 1x and 1x is cancelled out. So we got y equal to x square here, and here is x. Now time has come to differentiate. So what we need to do? We need to differentiate this. So let's put differentiation of y with respect to dx, differentiation of x square with respect to dx, and differentiation of x with respect to dx. So this will become differentiation of x square using this formula. So it will be 2x, and differentiation of x with respect to x, that is equal to 1. So it is 2x plus 1. Okay, let's see a couple of more questions now. Okay, so here are a couple of questions which I have picked from your year 12 textbook. So if let's see question number A, question number this one A. So A is, let's write down here, y equal to 2 root x. They have not given y. Either you can assume fx equal to 2 root x or y equal to 2 root x. So let's write down. So y equal to 2 root x, if you simplify, so it will be 2 x to the power half. Okay, now we can differentiate it. So let's put d over dx with y. It means we are differentiating y with respect to dx. 2 is outside, and here we can write down differentiation of x to the power half with respect to x. So this 2 comes down, and using this formula, d over dx of x to the power n, so this n comes forward here, so it will be nx n minus 1. So similarly, this 1 by 2 is coming forward. Okay, so this is 1 by 2, it is coming forward here. Okay, so let's do it. So what happens? So it is 1 by 2 x, 1 by 2 minus 1, it is minus half. 2 and 2 is cancelled out, so we got x to the power minus half, or you can write down 1 upon x to the power half, or you can write down 1 upon root x. Okay, so this is the way you can simplify it. Now, if question is suppose B part, so there is no y, you can assume from your side y equal to 3 over x square. Using algebra, you can write down 3x to the power minus 2. Okay, now it will be easy to differentiate. So if we put differentiation of y with respect to x, here 3 is out, differentiation of x to the power minus 2 with respect to x, then what happens? So this 3 is coming down. Here again using this formula, okay, so minus 2 is coming forward, x, and minus 2 minus 1 is minus 3. So it will be minus 6 x to the power minus 3, or you can write down minus 6 over x to the power 3. Okay, nice and easy. So now what you need to do, you need to solve these questions and please pause the video and have a go, then we can discuss the answers. Okay, please pause the video. Welcome back. If you have solved these problems, so please check your answers, and if you have any doubt we can go over it. So let's check answers now. So I'm just putting answers. So these are the correct answers. I'll just make it big. Okay, so these are correct answers. Please have a look, and if you have any doubt we can explain. Okay, so yeah. Yeah, that's right. So what I'm going to go, I'm going to pick some questions and I'm going to explain you in case if you have a problem. So I'm starting with L. So it is 3x minus 2, 4x plus 1 over x. So I'm going to solve this and then we can check answers. Okay, so let's solve this question first. Okay, so okay, so I'm solving L part. So it is 3x minus 2 and it is 4x plus 1 over x. So suppose this is y equal to. So what we need to do, we'll use algebra here, 3x minus 2, and if you'll simplify, so this you can write down 4x square plus 1 over x. Okay, now what we can do, we can multiply 3x with 4x square. Okay, so we are multiplying, expanding. So 3x times 4x square equal to 12x cube. 3x times 1 becomes 3x, minus 2 times 4x square becomes minus 8x square, and minus 2 times 1 becomes minus 2, and this whole thing is divided by x. So what I'm going to do, x I'm taking up. So when x is I'm taking up, so it will be x to the power minus 1. Okay, so now this minus 1, x to the power minus 1, I'm going to multiply with 12x cube. Okay, so let's see what is happening. So when we multiply, so it will be 12 x3. So see here, x3 and times x minus 1, it will be x to the power 2. Indices rule, a to the power m times a to the power n, it will be a to the power m plus n. So this will be 12 x 3 minus 1, it is x2, and it is 3x when you multiply here. Okay, so I'll just show you here. So when you're multiplying x minus 1 with x, so minus 1 and plus 1 becomes 0, so it will be just 3. Okay, so it will be 3 only, and then minus 8x square. So when you multiply with x square, so it will be 3, it will be x square minus 1, that is minus 8x, and this will be minus 2x minus 1. Okay, this is what y. If we differentiate now, okay, so it will be dy over dx. Differentiation of this, so it will be 12 times 2 is 24x. Differentiation of any constant number will be 0. Differentiation of minus 8x will be minus 8, and his minus 2. This minus 1 is coming forward and it will be x minus 1 minus 2. Okay, so your final answer is 24x minus 8, minus 2 and minus 1 becomes plus 2, x minus 2, or you can write down 2 over x square. So this should be your answer. Okay, now I can solve another part, that is k part. So let's solve now. So for k part, it is, let's again assume y equal to 3x square and x square plus 2x. So let's simplify. So 3x square times x square, it will be 3x to the power 4. 3x square, when you multiply with this, 3 times 2 is 6 and it is x cube. So let's differentiate. So it will be dy over dx. It will be 12 x cube and 6 times 3 is 18 x square. Okay. Similarly, if we are doing j part, so this part, so it is x square minus x plus 2. So if you multiply, so it will be x cube minus x square plus 2x, and suppose this is equal to y. So once you differentiate, so it will be dy over dx. Differentiation of x cube will be 3x square and it is minus 2x and plus 2. So I hope things are clear. So what you can do, you have please try to solve. In case if you have any problem, you can always put comment in my YouTube channel so I can solve that particular problem. Okay, let's move forward some difficult problem. So if you see here, we need to find the gradient of the curve with the equation y equal to fx at the point A, where fx is this one and a is 0, 0. So I'm going to solve two problems from here. Okay, just I'm going to solve problem A. So here, instead of y, it is given fx equal to x and x plus 1, and points are given 0 and 0. So fx, once you differentiate, then we write down f dash x. So f dash x is nothing but it is d over dx of fx. Then we write down f dash x. Okay, so this is what we need to do. But let's simplify what fx is. So let me rub this. So this just I'm telling you what is f dash x means. Okay, so here fx is this. So fx, if you multiply inside, it will be x square plus x. Now f dash x means differentiation of fx with respect to x. So it will be 2x and it is plus 1. Okay, now they are saying find the gradient. So gradient is f dash x with the equation y equal to fx at point A. So points are given 0 and 0. So you need to find f dash x at 0 and 0. It means x is 0 and y is 0. So this is your x value and this is your y value. So just replace here x with 0 and y with 0. So the way we'll write like this. So f dash x at 0 and 0. So if you replace x, so 2 times 0 plus 1, so that is 1. So gradient of the curve at point 0 and 0 is 1. Okay, now I'm going to do D part. B and C you can try yourself. So let's go for B part. Okay, so let me create a space here. Okay, now so B part is D part is fx equal to 3x minus 4 over x square. This you can write down 3x minus 4 x to the power minus 2. So once you differentiate f dash x, so differentiation of 3x from here is 3. Then this is minus sign and 4 is there, and using this rule d over dx of x to the power n come forward, nx n minus 1. So similarly this minus 2 is coming forward here, so minus 2 and x minus 3. So we got 3 plus 8 x minus 3, or you can write down 3 plus 8 over x to the power 3. So this is our f dash x. Now you need to find gradient at point 2 and 5. So just write down f dash x at 2 and 5. So x is 2 and y is 5. So just put these values here. So it is 3 plus 8 over x cube. X is 2. So it will be 2 cube. So it will be 3 plus 8 over 8. 8 over 8 is cancelled down, so it is 1. So 3 plus 1 is 4. Okay, now I can tell you what is answer for C and B, so you can check your answers. Okay, so if you haven't tried yet, please try, pause the video, and then you can check your working with my answers. Yeah, please pause the video and have a go. So welcome back. If you have tried these questions, so please check your answers. Here are correct answers. Yeah, A we got 1, B we got 2 over 9, C we got -4, and D we got 4. Okay, let's see a couple of more questions now.